Inkbird graciously sent me this wireless thermometer to review. So I'm going to pull out of the box. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to take a look at the app, see how the app works, and we're going to put it to the test. So stick around and see how well this product does. This is Inkbird's Mini INT-11I-B wireless barbecue thermometer. So it says it's a mini, so let's see how well of a mini it is. Get it out of the box. Alright. So this is what it looks like right here. Get it out. Yeah. Alright. So got that. The instructions right here to charge it. So, alright, let's take a look at it now. So there's this button right here. That's to turn on, turn off. And that's obviously a plug right here to charge it. So to turn it on, you're going to have to hold it down. And there's that beeping noise. So that's how you turn it on right there. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up the app so we can take a look at the app. Alright, I don't know if you can tell, but there's going to be a line right here. Hopefully you can see it. That line right there that goes all around is that you don't want to go past whenever you stick your probe in the meat. So you want this part, this end, to be sticking out. So I'm going to go for the deepest of the meat. Right there. Alright, I'm going to get them on. Let's take a look at the app now. So there's the device. Let's click on it. It says it's connecting. Alright, so my probe's already in the chicken breast. So right now the probe is reading at 49. And the target temp's 165. So we got that. And then check the trend chart. So there's your trend chart right there. As you see, it's already displaying data. So it'll let you know when you click on it. Alright, so let's go back. At the very bottom, there's your clock right there, stopwatch. And right here, if you want, you can time your cook. There's hours, minutes, and seconds. And you have remarks right there if you want to add anything to what you need to know or remind yourself. So that's pretty good. Right there in the middle, you're going to have your history record right there. At the moment, it says no relevant data, but it should pop up eventually. And then at the end, right here is where you got your food. So you can choose from any, over here, what it states that you're going to cook. And then you can go and right there it tells you temperature. You can do early warning when it's going to hit that temperature. You click on that and it lets you know. So yeah, and then up there temperature, get well done. You can let's see, go back. Oh, here at the bottom it says click on modified cooking. You got that. Okay, custom cooking is right here is when you actually can see the food name, custom photo, and then you can actually your temperature, high temperature, low temperature. And look at the top there, it says customized octopus, oysters, vegetables, beef ribs. So there's a lot of to choose from. Customized record, same thing. The data will show up there. So let's go back. So temps right now, we went up to 52, went down to 51. So yeah, it's pretty much just straightforward on how to use this app and to know where your meat's at. And so it's been doing well so far. But yeah, that's just a summary of how to use the app. Here's an important thing to know whenever you're using this wireless meat thermometer is that you have to keep its base close by. As you can tell, if you can, it's reading at 96, so it also displays your internal temperature of your meat while also sounding an alarm when it's done. So if you don't want no disconnectivity, keep this nearby. I have it about, I want to say maybe, I don't know, 6 feet away from it, and it's been working well. So keep it close by and you'll stay connected. Alright, so I'm in the app already, and as you can see, it says that the chicken breast is reading at 117. So we're getting there. Let's check out the trend chart. So as you can see, it's letting you know where it was at. So it's rising, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. At 118 right there. So yeah, lets you know the date, the time, internal temperature, target temp. Yeah, so that's pretty neat, right? So far it's been working well. Alright, we're sitting at 164. So we're about to hit that 165. Alright. Alright, you see, let you know, reach target temperature in cooking. Alright. Alright guys, see this here? So it's beeping, the number's 165, going. That's what it looks like. And cooking, and it stops. Alright. So, real test is I'm going to take them off and let it rest for a bit, and I'm going to slice into the one where the probe was in, see how it goes. Alright, take the probe out. Alright. Oh yeah. I'll say this. That probe did well. Probe did well. Look at that. Yep. Overall, this meat probe right here, fantastic. It was fantastic. It did what it's supposed to do. It stayed connected to its base. Remember, keep it nearby. That's the important thing, is keep it nearby so they can stay connected, and then you can look through on your app to see where everything's at. But it did fantastic. As you saw, this chicken breast is cooked. It is cooked. So this right here, if I can get a link, I'll put it down below in the description below so you can buy it. But this right here, I say if you do get the chance, go out and buy it. So thank you for Inkbird for sending me this. I was happy to review it, and it's probably going to become a favorite of mine, but thank you. Well, I had to end it. So as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.